ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start 60-second session. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you, sir?
Fine, thank you. I have 10 short questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. One sentence about Bangladesh.
Yes, I love Bangladesh. Bangladesh is agriculture country.
One sentence about your father.
Yes, I love my father. He always support me and love me.
One sentence about your mother.
Okay, I love my mother. Whenever I make mistake, she teaches me instantly.
Thank you. One sentence about your best friend.
Yes, he is a kind and pious man and hard worker, and I have learned many things from him.
Very good. Drama or movie?
Obviously, movie it's make me happy, and I have learned from him movie.
Excellent. Laptop or PC?
Yeah, obviously laptop I can use 1 or 2 hours without electricity, and I can carry easily.
Mobile or TV?
Obviously mobile, I can communicate with my family, with my friend.
Okay. Fast food or homemade food?
I prefer homemade food because homemade food is hygienic and it's keep me our body fit.
Academic books or story books?
To be honest, academic books because I'm bound to read.
Father or mother?
It's so tough for me. I love both.
Excellent. Thank you very much.